Old printed photos don't last forever. Over time, they can fade, get damaged, or end up forgotten in boxes and albums. That's why having a good photo scanner can make such a big difference. It lets you turn those memories into high-quality digital copies that are much easier to store, share, back up, and keep safe for years to come. In this video, I'll be showing you the 5 best photo scanners available right now and helping you figure out which one is the right fit for your needs. If you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these photo scanners, you'll find all the links in the video description and the first comment below. Let's start with the Canon CanoScan LiDE ePhoto scanner. A great option for anyone looking for an easy way to preserve old photos and documents without dealing with complicated software or bulky equipment. What immediately stands out is its 4,800 by 4,800 dots per inch resolution, which captures sharp details, rich colors, and impressive clarity. Whether you're digitizing family photos, restoring old memories, or creating larger copies, this model delivers results that look noticeably better than many entry-level scanners. Another big advantage is its speed. This scanner can complete a scan in about 8 seconds, making it much easier to work through photo albums, paperwork, and important documents without wasting time. If you've got stacks of pictures waiting to be digitized, that extra speed makes a real difference. This option also includes automatic photo enhancement features designed to improve older images. Color correction and digital dust removal help bring faded photos back to life, giving them a cleaner and more vibrant appearance without requiring advanced editing skills or additional software. Convenience is another area where this model shines. Its USB-C connection handles both power and data transfer through a single cable, keeping setup simple and reducing cable clutter on your desk. That means you can get started quickly while maintaining a cleaner workspace. It also features auto scan technology, which automatically recognizes whether you're scanning a photo or a document. The scanner adjusts the settings on its own to deliver the best possible result, making the entire process much easier for beginners and experienced users alike. On top of that, dedicated shortcut buttons allow you to create searchable and editable PDF files with just a few clicks, adding even more versatility beyond photo scanning. Combined with its ultra-slim design and the ability to operate in a vertical position, this scanner is an excellent choice for anyone who wants high image quality, ease of use, and space-saving convenience in one compact package. Next up, we have the Epson FastFoto scanner, a fantastic choice for anyone looking to turn large collections of printed photos into organized digital memories quickly and easily. If you've got boxes full of old family pictures, this model is built to help you digitize them without spending countless hours in front of a scanner. One of its biggest highlights is speed. This scanner can process up to 1 photo per second and handle batches of up to 36 photos at once, making it incredibly efficient for scanning entire albums. Instead of spending days working through old pictures, you can get the job done in a fraction of the time. Of course, the speed wouldn't matter much without great image quality, and that's another area where this model shines. It includes automatic color restoration, red eye removal, cropping, rotation correction, and other smart enhancements that help bring faded photos back to life. The result is a collection of images that looks cleaner, brighter, and much closer to the original memories. A feature many people will appreciate is its ability to scan both the front and back of a photo in a single pass. That means handwritten notes, dates, names, and personal messages can be preserved along with the image itself. For family archives and historical collections, that's a huge advantage. This option is also extremely versatile. It supports standard photos, panoramas, postcards, Polaroids, and prints up to 8 by 10 inches, making it easy to work with a wide variety of photo collections. You can also choose different scan resolutions depending on whether you're sharing, archiving, or enlarging your images. The experience gets even better with the FastFoto mobile app, which lets you add voice recordings, text, and slideshows directly from your smartphone. Add Wi-Fi connectivity, document text recognition, and direct uploads to computers or cloud services. And you've got a powerful all-in-one solution for preserving memories in the easiest way possible. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Plustek ePhoto Z300 Scanner, a great choice for anyone who wants to turn large photo collections into digital files as quickly as possible. If you've got boxes of old family pictures waiting to be preserved, this model is designed to make the process fast, simple, and surprisingly convenient. Its biggest advantage is speed. This scanner can digitize a standard 4 by 6 inch photo in just 2 seconds and an 8 by 10 inch photo in about 5 seconds. That means you can work through hundreds of memories in a fraction of the time it would take with a traditional flatbed scanner. Unlike flatbed models, this option uses an automatic feed system. Just insert a photo, and the scanner automatically detects it, scans it, and ejects it when finished. This continuous workflow makes a huge difference when you're handling large family photo collections and don't want to manually position every image. It also includes several smart features designed to improve image quality right from the start. Automatic cropping and straightening help ensure every photo is properly aligned and framed, reducing the need for editing afterward and making the entire process much more efficient. Another standout feature is its automatic photo restoration technology. With only a few clicks, you can enhance faded colors, improve contrast, and bring older photos back to life. It's a great tool for preserving family memories that may have been damaged by age over the years. This model is also very versatile. It supports multiple photo sizes, letter-size documents, certificates, artwork, and other printed materials. Combined with its CCD image sensor, it delivers more accurate colors and excellent image quality. Add in its compact design, easy USB connectivity, and compatibility with both Windows and Mac, and you've got a scanner that's perfect for anyone looking for a fast, user-friendly way to preserve important memories in digital form. Now let's move on to the Epson Perfection 519-2 scanner, a great option for anyone looking to digitize family memories, artwork, and important documents with impressive detail. It combines excellent image quality with a simple, user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for both beginners and more experienced users. One of the first things that stands out is its 4,800 dots per inch optical resolution. That high level of detail helps capture accurate colors, sharp textures, and fine image elements that might otherwise be lost. Whether you're preserving old family photos, restoring aging pictures, or creating larger prints, this scanner delivers consistently sharp and vibrant results. Another standout feature is Easy Photo Fix, a built-in tool designed to improve older photographs with just a single click. It can automatically enhance faded colors, correct minor image issues, and help bring old memories back to life. For anyone with boxes of aging photo albums, this feature can make a noticeable difference without requiring advanced editing skills. Using this scanner is also incredibly straightforward. Its one-touch shortcut buttons let you scan photos, create PDF files, or send documents directly to your computer in seconds. This streamlined approach makes the entire process faster and easier, even for users who have never worked with a scanner before. Versatility is another area where this model shines. The high-rise removable lid makes it easier to scan photo albums, books, artwork, and thicker materials that can be difficult to handle on standard scanners. That added flexibility makes it useful for a wide variety of projects at home or in a small office. It also includes optical character recognition, allowing scanned documents to be converted into editable Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files, while also creating searchable PDF documents. Add in its compact design, USB-powered operation, vertical placement option, and the convenient Epson ScanSmart software, and you get a well-rounded scanner that delivers quality, convenience, and reliable preservation for your most important memories. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the ScanSnap iX 1300 scanner, a compact yet powerful option built for people who want fast scanning, flexible connectivity, and a clutter-free workspace. Even though it has a small footprint, this model packs in plenty of features that make it easy to digitize photos, documents, receipts, and other paperwork while keeping everything organized. One of its biggest strengths is double-sided scanning at speeds of up to 30 pages per minute. It also includes smart image processing features that automatically straighten pages, enhance colors, and remove blank sheets. These tools help produce cleaner, more professional-looking results without requiring manual adjustments, saving valuable time when scanning large batches of files. Versatility is another area where this scanner stands out. It can handle photos, ID cards, plastic cards, receipts, brochures, and thicker documents, making it useful for a wide variety of tasks. Thanks to its manual and automatic feeding options, switching between different document types is quick and hassle-free. Connectivity is equally impressive. With both Wi-Fi and USB support, this model can send files directly to computers, smartphones, or cloud storage services. Certain tasks can even be performed without being connected to a computer, giving users more freedom whether they're working from home or in a small office environment. The experience gets even better with ScanSnap Home, an intuitive software platform that helps organize, search, and manage scanned files. It can also convert documents into editable Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, while creating searchable PDF documents that make finding information much easier later on. Everything comes together in an ultra-compact design that takes up very little desk space. Add in near-instant startup times and 600 dots per inch image quality, and you've got a scanner that delivers an excellent balance of productivity, convenience, and smart document management for everyday use. That's all for today. Hopefully this video helped you find the perfect photo scanner for preserving family memories, digitizing old pictures, and organizing your photo collection. Let us know in the comments if there's another photo scanner you'd like to see in a future comparison video. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. If you'd like more information or want to check the latest prices for any of these photo scanners, be sure to visit the links in the video description and the first comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.